mag-unboxing ako sa aking bagong laptop HP Room na binili ng aking partner na si Jerry para meron ako magamit sa pang-live. Ayan, umpisa na natin to. Ito na.
Life in a world that keeps changing. Think that it's progress you're making. Copy and paste pretty faces all the time. Pictures so perfect we play through. Only cause you set up the angle. Web that you we've got us tangled. Caught in what's before our eyes.
Ayan. Tadaan! Maliit lang siya, guys.
Wow!
Maliit lang siya.
Wow!
Ayan.
Wow, it looks so nice.
Ayan.
Wow! Sana all.
Chromebook pala ito.
That's exactly what I said.
Ayan.
Wala pa nahurot ang nasulod sa box ba?
Ayan ang ganito. Ayan. Tapos, uy, meron pa siyang case ba? Case, meron pa siyang case.
Wow.
Meron pa siyang bag ba ito? Ayan.
Laptop case.
Ayan. Tapos, ayan, mga cho. And the last one is yung charger. Ano ba to?
Charger.
Oh, may mouse pa.
Oh, nice. Bigla nag-preview eh. That's
And
nice.
my libreng battery and ano to no?
Battery for what? For the mouse?
Know. I think so.
Yeah.
At this yung
Ano na siya? Bluetooth connector.
And ito pala yung charger. Okay.
Wow.
And
Wow, it's so nice.
tapos na ang laptop ko.
Open.
Open ko siya. Ngayon, mag-practice ko kung paano siya gamitin kasi hindi na ako marunong gumamit ng laptop kasi matagal na ako nagkaroon ng laptop.
Wow, it's so nice.
Binigay ko sa Pilipinas.
199 na lang siya.
Yeah. So, ayan. Alright, thank you. Please don't forget to subscribe and likes. Thank you.